Meredith from Graco. This video will cover the steps for how to install your TriRide 3-in-1 car seat, rear-facing with the lower anchor attachment. First, we're going to store our tether at the hook on the back of the car seat. Then, we're going to remove the inserts just to keep them out of the way while we're installing. Be sure to review your instruction manual for instructions on when to use your infant inserts. Next, you're going to remove your lower anchor connectors from the storage location on either side of the car seat. Make sure that your seat is adjusted to one of the 3 rear-facing recline positions. If you need to adjust the recline, use the handle at the front of the seat to do so. Place your car seat rear-facing on your vehicle seat. You want to make sure that the base is flat on the vehicle seat and that at least 80% of the car seat base is on the vehicle seat. Once your seat is placed in the vehicle, check the level indicator to make sure the ball is in the correct blue zone based on your child's age. If it's not in the blue zone, adjust the recline. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Make sure the lower anchor strap lies flat and is not twisted. Repeat that step on both sides. Once your lower anchor connectors are connected to the lower anchors, you're going to press down on the center of the seat and tighten the lower anchor strap. Press down on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the lower anchor strap to tighten. Once you've tightened, you want to check for tightness at the rear-facing belt path. You want to make sure the seat doesn't move more than an inch side to side or front to back. If you need to get the seat tighter, you can continue to tighten the lower anchor strap. You can also move the soft goods out of the way at the rear-facing belt path to get better leverage to tighten your strap. Press down on the center of the seat again and pull the free end of the strap through the belt path. Test for tightness again, making sure that the seat does not move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Once your seat is tightened, be sure to recheck the level indicator to ensure it is still in the correct blue zone. Next, you want to make sure that you put your seat pad back into place by snapping everything back into the correct position. And make sure that your harness straps are placed in front of the soft goods, and then you're ready for baby. Now that your seat is installed, you're ready to buckle your child in. You want to check for proper harness height. When in rear-facing mode, the harness straps should be at or just below your child's shoulders. If you need to adjust the harness straps, do so using the lever at the top of the seat. Then, connect the buckle and connect the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the strap at the front of the seat. After tightening, move the chest clip up to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any extra slack at your child's shoulders.